In no time, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this beautiful Valentine makeup look. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Pam Pam here. Not wasting much of our time, let's just dive straight into the video.
Boy, I've been watching you.
If you know me too well, you know I always like to start my makeup with skin prep. Yes, so I'll be using this moisturizer from Cosmetics. This moisturizer is very good, it's quite affordable, and it gets the job done. When applying your moisturizer, please go with a generous amount. Okay, you can never go wrong with moisturizer. You can either use your hand to apply or a brush. For my lips, I'll be using Vaseline lip balm to get the lips moisturized before I apply my lipstick. You get, make sure you don't skip this process. Once you're done applying your moisturizer, please moisturize your lips. Still on skin prep, I'll be going in with my primer. This primer is from Glam and is also a hydrating primer. Okay, but if you have oily skin, please don't stop on hydrating primer. Once you're done applying your hydrating primer, also apply a mattifying primer to help control oil. Okay, using my concealer from Glam, I'll be going into color correct anywhere I have dark circles or dark spots, but it's mostly under my eyes, so that will be my main focus, right? If you have any other place, also color correct. If you're not comfortable applying with your hands, please go in with brush. Use a brush for the application. Mind you, don't need too much product. All you need to do is concentrate on those areas. For foundation, I'll be using L'Oreal Not Brown in the shade 35. It is a medium coverage foundation. You can build it up to full coverage if you like. It is also a long wearing foundation that blurs imperfection, and it also delivers the most natural matte finish that looks like skin. You will see it on my face. When someone sits next to you very closely, the person will see that it doesn't have like a cake finish, it looks like skin. Now for contour, I'll be using my Ava foundation in the shade 35. It's a bit darker than my foundation that I applied initially. I'll be applying it below my cheekbone area, then the circumference of my face, and also my jawline area. For my cream blush, I'll be using my lipstick palette from My Cheek. I don't know if I'm the only one that does this, but I always love to mix my blush. I don't like going into one particular lipstick color. I always like to mix it to get the perfect shade for myself. I apply it directly on my cheekbone, then the remaining on my beauty blender. I'll just apply it at the tip of my nose. Make sure you're using a damp beauty blender so it can help you to blend properly. To conceal my face, I'll be using my Illegal concealer, and in this shade Found. This concealer, I call it OG before IG. Like, it gets the job done and it's so affordable. So lay your hands on it if you can. Before blending out the concealer, I allowed it to dry down a little bit so that it can give me this full coverage, right? And also note, when you are blending your concealer, please, you are dabbing, don't drag, so that you can blend properly. So use lightweight. For my nose contour, I'll be using the same face contour. I use the same foundation, Avoir, the shade 35. That is what I use for my nose contour. When doing your nose contour, the essence is to snatch your nose. Okay, so go in with little product so you can blend properly using flat brush. Again, one thing you don't want to see is harsh lines when you are done contouring your nose. Okay, so what you need to do is go in with your beauty blender. See the way I'm doing it, you blend out those harsh lines you don't want to see, so everything will be clean and proper. To set my face, I'm going to be using Sacha Butter setting powder. Again, one thing with setting, it helps you to brighten your under eye. So the technique for this setting is pick a product, dust off excess, go in layer by layer and build. Okay, that way you achieve a better result. Don't go and pack product and put, if not, it's going to be very hard for you to blend out. To bring back warmth to my face, I'll be using a darker shade of powder to do my powder contour. Okay, the same place I placed my cream product, that is the same place you're going to place your powder products. For powder blush, I'll be going in with my Bicham Ageless palette. So colorful and beautiful, by the way. I'll be using it for my powder blush. Remember that you are placing it on your cheekbone. To make my under eye more brighter, I'll be baking using the same Sacha Butter setting powder I used to set my face now. But the technique here is I am placing, okay? I am not pressing into the skin like when we were setting. I'm placing right now. For my brows, I'll be going in with this hair wax in place of brow trimmer to help put my brows in place using my spoolie. Again, let me say this please, this is not going to be an eyebrow tutorial, okay? I have a very detailed eyebrow tutorial videos, I think 2 or 3 of them on my channel. So if you want that, please kindly go and watch it, okay? For eyeshadow, first thing first is to set your eye, okay? I'm using a primer and I've forgotten the name of the primer. For this eyeshadow look, I'm going to do a very detailed tutorial for it because I used a lot of product, but it's from one palette, so watch out for it. To brush out my lashes, I'm going to be using this mascara from Kiss Beauty. Guys, this mascara is highly pigmented, so when you're using it, be very, very careful. For my under eye, I'm not going to be dusting off the excess powder, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to use a powder that is our under eye shade. We're going to use a brush to pick the product and also blend the under eye properly. Then for the entire face, we're going to be using a powder that is our shade, like our foundation shade, okay? Using a fluffy brush, round brush, to apply it gently. Avoid under the eyes, please. I'll be outlining my lips using a brown lip pencil. I wanted to try something different, so I went in with this lip pencil from Kiss Beauty. It's Us Blood in color, so I just used it to outline my lips. The same place I applied my brown pencil, that's the same place I used it. For lip gloss, I'll be using this lip gloss from Zico Cosmetics. I don't know if I'm the only one that like nude lips, yes, but this is way too bright, so we're going to tone it down. I don't know if many of you know this hack, but I used to use concealer for my lipstick, yes, and it gives it this natural, calm and cool finishing. To gloss my lips, I'll be using my Vaseline lip balm. If you have a transparent lip gloss, that works too. To set my entire face, I'm going to be using this Kiss Beauty setting spray. Guys, this is magical. I so much love it. To highlight my face, I'm using this palette from Bicham Ageless, and I tried using brush to apply my highlighter and I did not like the outcome, so I had to switch back to using my beauty blender, and it gave me a cool finishing. brush out my lower lashes, I'll be using this particular mascara. If you know, it's different from the one I used to brush out my lashes, okay, because the applicator is very tiny, so it gets the job done for me. Here comes the final look, the magic that we created, guys. Please, if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share to your loved ones, and make sure you drop your lovely comments under this post. Okay, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye bye.